So this video was inspired by me being curious of how other people get ready to go roller skating when it's cold out. This is the t-shirt I plan on wearing underneath a bunch more layers. But before I get dressed, I'm gonna spray my hair with some water that I mixed with coconut oil. I have these twists that I did over a week ago, and I wanna make sure that as I sweat, they're not gonna get too disgusting. So I'm just gonna spray this down. I want to try to keep it as hydrated and as moisturized as possible. A couple more days leaving these in and they will lock up, and I do not, at least right now in my life, I'm not ready for that commitment of having locks. It's really so frustrating though, because I love how my twists look when they're kind of messy and frizzy and sort of wild, but they lock up so quickly. So I gotta take these out. Good enough. And I'll just put some sunscreen on my face. It's in the other room. I may or may not put a scarf on because I'm not planning on wearing a helmet. All right. I love how they look messy. On to the clothes. I just have this t-shirt on and some black sweats. Over my t-shirt, I'm going to put on this thin shirt slash hoodie. And then over this thinner hoodie, I have a thicker hoodie. Get the hood out of there. Yes. Okay, so hoodie on hoodie on hoodie. After this thicker hoodie, I'm gonna put on this thin jacket. It's thin, yeah, but it's also warm. I really love this jacket. And I'm also gonna pop in the car a heavier winter coat just in case it's too cold, but I think that this will be more than enough. So like I said before, I just have some black sweatpants on. For my shoes, I'm gonna be sporting some old sneakers just because they're easy to take off really quick to put my skates on when I'm out there in the cold. And of course, my rainbow socks. And for anyone who's wondering, no, I typically do not put my shoes and socks on after I have my coat on. All right, let me move so you can see the full body. So this is the fit. The lighting isn't really good, but the blue sneakers, black sweats, t-shirt, 2 hoodies, and a light jacket. This is the jacket I'm going to be bringing in case this is not warm enough. This heavy duty parka, Canadian. The other thing I'm going to bring with me is earmuffs. I tend to warm up pretty fast when skating, so a lot of this might be coming off. But I like to stay on the safe side. And some gloves. So this is it. Oh no, that's not it. The final thing is my filming equipment. So my phone right now, it is attached to my stand that I bring with me. I'm gonna use this backpack as a holder for my iPad, which is, okay, this is kind of complicated right now until I can go to my parents' house and get my video camera. But for the time being, I'm using my iPhone to film. And then with this new microphone I recently got, I'm going to attach this to the lapel of my coat so that you can hear me better in the video. And then I'm going to plug this in. Whoop, my gloves are sticking to the Velcro. I'm gonna plug this into my iPad. And then of course I'm planning on syncing all of this together later on when I'm editing the video. Actually, let's do a test right now. so you can hear the difference. You can hear how I've been talking this whole time. Now with the microphone, let's plug this in. I have never before used this microphone yet. So today is the day that I test it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start recording now. Okay, so I'm recording. So at this time, the audio is recording on my iPad / microphone along with the cell phone audio. So I'm going to, at this time, cut to the better audio right now. So as you can hear, the audio is much clearer, and I'm really excited because when I go outside and it's windy, this is going to really help me to be able to move and teach you guys dance moves without, well, let me figure out how to get this, and teach y'all dance moves. Too many layers. Okay. So, the backpack is on. Let's hop outside so you can see the full getup. And then I'm going to go to skate. Cool. So as I walk away, the sound should still be just as good. And I forgot one very important thing. I'll be right back. My skates. So you can't see me, but I am locking up right now. I have my backpack for some extra supplies like snacks. Let's go to the park.